Hello. Hello. Here for another studying stream. So we are gonna do some topology today. That is. Wait, let me move the window. There we go. So. Blah blah blah. White topology. Okay, so the teachers define why we should use topology. Topology. Is it pixelated? A bit, but it's fine. So should I do a pretty T? Topology. Topology. Why? Existence theorem. So, for example, the thingy, this theorem. So interval E. This wasn't this what the teacher was talking about in the differential calculation. No, is it the same? The intermediate values theorem. Is it named like that in English? I have no idea. Let me Google. Google Usama. Well, we say Google, but I don't use Google because it is a privacy hazard. Théorème valeur intermédiaire. So what's the English name for the dessus? English. Intermediate value theorem. I'm goated. I'm such a goated duolyglot. How do you say you speak two languages? I don't know. So, in mathematical analysis, the intermediate value theorem states that if f is a continuous function whose domain contains the interval a and b, so just you got the domain a and b, then it takes on any value given between fa and fb at some point with the interval. I also forgot to make a new layer. There you go. Easier to clean up. Right, so then it takes on any given value between f and b, fa and fb at some point within the interval. So yeah, this is to show that something is continuous, yes. If f is a continuous function whose domain contains an interval a and b, then it takes on any given. Okay, so if the function f is continuous, then between a and b, then you can take any value between fa and fb, and they will exist. So it's some form of. I mean, I was gonna say surjectivity, but a function is an application, and applications are bijective. One point gives only one. Wait, no, not bijective. Yes, no, wait. So a point on the axis gives only one value here. So yeah, this is not bijective because you can have something like here, and you have those 2 points that are the same, but they have different thingies. So it is surjective, but it is also injective because you cannot have several points for one. I don't know. I forgot my properties. That's why I'm failing. Anyway. So how is it written in the class? For continuous E, so you have this A, B, F, F, why did you do this? F continuous on FB means that there exists Y in f of AB should show that it's a segment and not a... there we go. Such that... such that -1 is included. Yeah, my brain. Yaku. Jiteru. Hora. Function f continues on the interval AB means that for A and B in f of I, we have that I Greek in f of I is equivalent to -1 to -1, so the segment to be included in fi. My neck. Yes, yes, no heart rate monitor today because I was lazy to put it on. That's it. I'll try to put it later in the day. Choo. Theo agete clap your and na clap your. This is not at all what the song is. I'm just. I'm not wrapping my head around this thing. So there's no. Let's just write what it is. So you have I Greek in F in the segment is equivalent to wait. So we have A and B in F of I. So let's do a drawing. Drawings are the bread and butter of a math. If you don't draw, you can't deduce anything because the average person brain cannot wrap their hand around symbols. So we got A, we got B. What is A? I did not define what was. A is AB. I mean. And let's take red. This thing is I. So we take I Greek in F of I. So this is F of I. And we got I Greek in there. Let's make it blue. Here we got I Greek. It means that AB is in AB, so A and B, the segment A to B is included in F of I. So that means there's A and B in there. What? Hey, Nani? Atamaitai. Yeah, I'm talking on Discord on the side. Shulup. So, Atamaitai. So we got AB inside of... What did I write? Yeah, so AB inside of FI. AB... wait. By AB. Okay, I'm stupid. AB is not on the... origin. It's in the image. Dumb, I'm so dumb, of course it is there, everything makes sense. So there we got A, and then we got B. And this thing here is our f of E. There we go. I see. Now it makes sense. My back hurts. Cracked. Let's reword our f of I a bit better. F of I is this segment. There we go. And then we can have I Greek in f of I that is between A and B. So A and B is inside I. F of I. Well, I guess I took I equal the segment AB, but you can take it grander. Blah blah blah. So the hairy bold. My teacher really copied the Wikipedia pages. I remember searching the topology page, and there was the hairy bold theorem too. Topology properties. There we go. The circle. Now still examples. Oh no, never mind. There's the definition of topology. No, not the definition. Property. Property. Properties. Easy. So we got invariant by deformations, by continuous deformation. In English, fucking me up. I copy in French and translate on the way, and then I get fucked by continuous deformations and homeomorphs. So this is like Onomeo. Morph. So morph is shape and omeo is the same. So yeah, omeo for space. So it's a space where the shapes stay the same, I guess. Or the forms, I guess. Huh. So approach, okay, what we're gonna look, I guess, I don't know. So we're gonna generalize the notion of limit. So xn tends toward x when n tends toward infinity. Or for all okay, memory, for all epsilon greater than 0. And for a big N, that is natural number, for all little n greater than this n, we have that the norm of xn minus x, which is the limit of x, is inferior to epsilon, which means it tends towards 0, which means they touch at some point. Something like that too. How can I write that? My neck. Streaming hard. No, not streaming, math hard. So, the approach. Let's just copy. I'll understand because I'm French. The approach. No, it is an English word. Approach. It's written approach in English. If I'm correct. Don't really want to listen to this. Approach. Damn, I've got such I don't know, such a bad brain. I lose my focus in 2 seconds. Continuity. Generalization. Is it with a Z in English? I don't know. Zation of continuity. So for all epsilon greater than 0, and such that there will exist n in n such that n greater on we got that xn minus n inferior to epsilon. This is what I want, this is what I need. And not in Minecraft, I mean in real life. Voisinage. Ah yes, the surrounding area. I don't know what it's called in English, bro. For all, it is wait. So there exists an n. For n great enough, x7 is in V. To define. Bon. Next. Topologie que ce pays issu. Ah là là. Bless me. Topologie que ce pays. Change color. Green. Topologic space. Do we use a C in English? I never know. Sometimes the English uses QE and sometimes it uses C. They just can't. They don't know if they rip off French or if they don't. Yare. An open interval. Yes, this is just open and closed. Open. Oh, this one is doped. Closed. Interval. Let me put a like, bro. No, it's already in my likes. Cake. Oh, I know I'm gonna write this. X in what? R. What did you write there? Ah, on sait que, we know that. What is he yapping about? How do I write that? For x in AB, x minus r I guess we use R for the rayon, but since I'm doing it in English, what do they use for the type L? What's the English word for rayon again? Rayon. Oh, before asking, let me search my my vocabulary. I have to translate. Why am I reading that? Rayon. The range should be the range. Section. Radius. Close enough. No, range is like this, right? So it's like a segment. Radius. I guess we use R2 in English. R2 in English. R. Radius. So radius for x in AB. Wait, no. This is an open interval, so this is this. AB. We got that x minus r and x plus r is included in AB. AB, which is false for if r is smaller than Paritzo no Kigoku wa Matanata Tenji Tataka. Should use a different color. Sasageyo Shinzo Sasageyo. So R must be limited to a distance, but what is... Oh yes, it is just the distance between X and B, or X and A, or X and B, depending on which one's closer. It just needs to be inferior to this. My teachers uses this divided by 2, but can't we just use inferior to the minimum between the norm of X and A and or and sec B? Because it is a strict inferiority, so they don't touch anyway. Sasageyo. I guess he uses the over to really say that it needs to be inferior, but it's already told. I'll just keep it like that, I prefer. Because it is a strict inferiority, so it will be inferior to this length. Which take the strict inferiority. And it's false for close because we can take R is equal to A, and then we have the segment on the left that is outside of the segment that is outside of the segment. Yeah, I get it. I'm so strong. I'm so smart too. Okay. Should be, it's been 30 minutes, I should stretch. Lois. Ah, my back hurt. Even though I did exercise this morning. I did HCT. I did 15 minutes, I'm proud. My heart was beating so fast, cake. It feels good to study. Feels like I am progressing, actually working toward a better future. Kinda late to do this at my age. It's hopeless, but at least I'm trying, I guess. I'm lazy to sit. Sasageyo, sasageyo, shinzo sasageyo, noete mo. Ageyo, sasageyo, shinzo sasageyo. What a ride Shingeki no Kyojin was. Sasageyo, sasageyo, shinzo kasageyo. Why not? I should finish the Tsukigami Chibiku. Well, I don't know if it's finished, but I mean the novel, not the anime. The anime is kinda It got the average isekai budget, so it's kinda meh. But it's fine. But I prefer reading. I like reading. It feels good. Oh, imashita. Ah yes, the examples. So let's pick another color for examples. We got the reunion of let me do this from head to show that I understood. I mean, I've already seen those examples in the past, but well, during class. So it is the open of 1 over n and 1 open is equal to the open interval 0, 1. There we go, I'm smart. And the intersection between -1 over n and 1 closed, or do I take it? I keep it open, is equal to 0, 1 closed. Why? Because we got -1 over n, and this is an intersection, so we got 1, and then we got all the intervals, the intersection between all of those. So every time we increase n, it moves there. So the one on the left gets deleted because it's an intersection. And then you tend towards 0. So all the negatives are removed. But you never touch 0 because 1 over n never reaches 0. So you exclude all the negatives, and then you go from everything that is not negative to 1, so 0 is included. I don't know if I made sense when I said that. I mean, it's for me, it's for me. No one's watching and no one will watch. I mean, am I really that famous in the future that someone is watching me doing math? Like, am I really that famous in the future? I mean, it will be fun, but I mean, after 3 years of streaming, I'm still don't even have 10 subs. I doubt something like that will happen. Atacale. This is evident. Open balls. Or closed balls. Yeah, so this is just when it touches the radius. So distance between the elements is inferior or equal to blah blah blah. Deuxième généralisation. A distance more general for S for okay. So the first generalization was about open and closed intervals. I don't know how the general. We just made a. We just did an example for everything that is open and closed. So this is a generalization, and then the second is a generalization for the distance. For a distance that is easier, and a distance that is usable on more spaces. There we go. I really want to do a karaoke stream one day. If I go to Japan one day, I'll do a karaoke stream. One of my dreams. It will be fun. So, for functions, we say that the image of an interval by a continuous function is an interval. Let's pick a red. What is the space metric in English? Metric space? I mean, metric is a Greek word, so I suppose they kept it. Let me check on Wikipedia what they translate this to. Mine doesn't exist. Ah, there we go. Wikipedia is so good to check the English name of something, because it cannot be too, it's really hard that the translation is what they use in the other language. Metric space, I was right. Yeah. So, an image of an interval E. Wait, not write this. Im of no. Let's define FF continuous. So then we have the image of f of A is continuous. Continuous. Wait, no, is an interval. Sorry, I'm stupid. Yeah, because it's kind of weird to say that that it is continuous. I don't think we can say that an image of an interval by a continuous function is continuous, because it can have like gaps or something like that, even if all of the numbers are used. Yeah, like this. So yeah, I don't think we can say that an image is continuous, but this is an interval. Image d'un segment est un segment. If de f de a b is a segment. No, well, no, I realize my example. If a function is continuous, this means those things don't exist, right? I mean, the space. There is no space if it is continuous, so never mind. You can say that the image is continuous, because this is what we say in the segment. If an image of a segment is a segment, and the image must be continuous. Because a segment is by definition all the points between two extremities. Yeah, little break, I'm tired. Let me decrease the luminosity. Let's skip the battery. It doesn't change anything for you, just for me. You being the voices in my head. Let's go on Reddit a little. The Reddit break. I know Reddit is not a break. I should know this. Tired. I'm tired. I've been streaming for 48 minutes. That's why I should not read Reddit. And then I get into the flow and then it's not even relaxing. And I'm just serotonin maxing, or no, dopamine maxing. Could I hot dog this bus ride? Okay, let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Koran no sponsor no tekyo de okuri shimasu. I'm losing my mind. Anyway, no more Reddit. Bad Reddit. Bad me. Should not use Reddit. Party. No, the music. Particular cases, metric space. Definitions. No. Let F. Why not? A bit more light. Ano. 101. Proposition. Oh, wait, I forgot to say the name. Oh no, never mind. That was the name, but that was writing. It's fine. Metric space. Ah. Now let X be a set. It is distance is if it's verified. Okay, yes. And distance. We're just setting up the definition of a distance. Distance t. If it verifies that t of x I Greek is equal to 0 is equivalent to x equaling I Greek. I'm trying to do this for memory, so symmetry and day of x is equal to day of I Greek x. Yay, this is the symmetry. And yeah, he looked like a Pepega, even though I can remember this. In a triangular inequality. So day of x I Greek is inferior or equal to day of x c plus day c I Greek. It's obvious too, so. The name. Triangular inequality. This is symmetry. This has got no name because yes, a metric space is a couple with like the set and the distance d. Ah. So then prop. For distance there, yeah, of course. Oh, those are obvious stuff. I mean, yeah, the distance is greater than 0. The second is the norm of dx I Greek minus dx z is inferior to d I Greek z. Ah. I'm so pissed by the ending of this anime, but it's a dope ass opening. Whoa. Okay, I'm too zoomed in. Like that. If it's obvious, I shouldn't have to write it. Proof. 気づきたくもない串づけダイヤモンドあなたの指になたそう形のない約束思い出して大事に残らない思い出も焼き付けて二人の約束だ思い覚えててI'm trying to do it by head, of course, not by doing it on my own instead of copying. And x I Greek minus d e. What's that I Greek, I guess? So also this is just a matter of changing. I forgot to finish writing this. This is I Greek Z. Nara Oeizo Mifitaku mo naite Ushizuketa Yamondo Anata no yubi ni nagaso Katachi no na yakusoku Omoi dashite Ni no toranai Omoide mo yakitsuka I mean we just got it. Bobo et the only stuff that's missing is the absolute value, but the absolute value is greater than those. And I mean, this if you apply the absolute value, this is greater than this is this, and it doesn't change the order of the inequality, so this is obvious. So yeah, it's just a matter of putting it on the left. Na 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 na. I mean, it is obvious, but you need to think about it when you are doing exercise and such. It's like the obvious stuff, but that needs to like levitate in your mind, fly in your mind. I don't know. Let's ride to head to Chichico. Borderline, na 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 na. Da 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 da. Don't you give me your love and passion. You see, for my love. Papa. Don't you got it and home and tired? Make you baby. Yes, you biscuit. For two of us. Mono, Mayori o kashite, ware na yugo, so saibo. Tatita totaite, iridu tatarida, totita taradida, taradida taradida, tono, teta toto. Don't you give me your love and passion? Ah, my brain hurt. Nah, 1 hour, maybe I should stop here and make food and play a bit of Sunless Sky after, and then I start again. Yeah, let's do this. I lost my concentration. So, thank you all for watching this studying stream. I did nothing. Not that bad. I did a little bit of stuff in 1 hour. I mean, this is objectively mediocre, but I'm doing my best with my own method, with my own issues. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. Where is bye bye? The podcast.